Alex, I completely ruined my interview today.
What? What happened?
The interviewer asked about my salary expectations and I just froze and said, I don't know.
Oh no.
His face, Alex, he looked so disappointed, like I hadn't prepared at all. There was this horrible, awkward silence, and he just wrote something down and moved on.
That must have been so uncomfortable.
It was the worst. I wanted that job so badly, and I blew it with just 3 words. I don't know. Why did I say that?
Hey, it's okay. It happens to everyone. And honestly, I don't know isn't technically wrong. It's just not the best choice for professional situations.
So what should I have said?
That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to teach you 10 much better alternatives to I don't know. Phrases that sound professional, confident, and intelligent.
Really? Because I say I don't know like 100 times a day.
We all do. That's why these alternatives are so important. Hello, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia, the girl who says I don't know way too much.
Today, we're teaching you 10 professional alternatives to I don't know. Perfect for job interviews, work meetings, and everyday conversations.
If you make this mistake too, don't worry, we'll fix it together.
Please like this video and share it with your friends learning English.
And subscribe to LearnFlow English. We upload new episodes every single day.
All right, Mia, ready to learn how to never embarrass yourself in an interview again?
So ready. Please help me.
Okay, number 1. Instead of saying I don't know, you can say I'm not sure.
I'm not sure? But isn't that the same thing?
It sounds similar, but it's actually much softer and more thoughtful. I don't know sounds very definitive, like you have absolutely no idea at all. I'm not sure sounds more like you're still thinking about it.
Oh, so in my interview, instead of I don't know my salary expectations, I could have said, I'm not sure of the exact number yet, but I've been researching industry standards.
Perfect. See, you add I'm not sure and then follow up with something that shows you've been thinking about it.
That sounds so much more professional. Okay, what's number 2?
Number 2 is let me think about that.
Ooh, this gives me time to actually think.
Exactly. It shows you want to give a careful, thoughtful answer instead of just blurting out the first thing that comes to mind.
So if my boss asks, can you finish this project by Friday? And I'm not sure, I say, let me think about that and check my current workload.
Perfect. It's professional, it's thoughtful, and it shows you take deadlines seriously.
I love it. What's number 3?
Number 3 is that's a good question.
Oh, I've heard this one. It's what people say when they're buying time to think of an answer.
You caught that, did you? Yes, it is a bit of a classic deflection technique, but it's actually quite useful. It acknowledges the question while giving you a few seconds to organize your thoughts.
So I could say, that's a good question. Let me consider the best way to approach that.
Exactly. Just make sure you actually do follow up with a real answer. Don't just say good question and then run away.
Right. No escaping. What's number 4?
Number 4 is I'd need to check on that.
Oh, this is perfect for factual questions, right? Like numbers or dates or specific details.
Exactly. When someone asks you for specific information that you don't have memorized, this phrase is ideal.
So if someone asks, what was our revenue last quarter? I say, I'd need to check on that and get back to you with the accurate numbers.
Perfect. It shows you're careful and professional, and you won't give out wrong information just to have an answer.
Much better than I don't know. What's number 5?
Number 5 is let me get back to you.
Oh, I hear this one at work all the time.
It's very common in professional settings. It shows you take the question seriously and want to give a proper, well-thought-out answer.
So if my manager asks, when can you deliver this project? I say, let me review the timeline and check with the team.
Excellent. But here's the crucial part. You must actually get back to them. Don't just say it and forget.
Right. Actually follow through. Got it. What's number 6?
Number 6 is I'm still learning about that.
Oh, this feels very honest. I like it.
It is honest, and it shows self-awareness and a willingness to improve. It's especially good when you're new to a job or situation.
Perfect. So, on my first week at a new job, if someone asks, "How does our filing system work?" I say, "I'm still learning about that, but I'm picking it up quickly."
Perfect. It's humble, it's honest, but it also shows you're actively working on improving.
What's number 7?
Number 7 is, could you clarify what you mean?
Ooh, turning the question back to them.
Exactly. Sometimes we don't know the answer because the question itself is too vague or too unclear.
So, instead of admitting I don't know, I'm asking for more specific information first.
Yes, and honestly, it's perfectly professional to ask for clarification. It shows you want to understand the question properly before giving an answer.
So, if someone asks, "What are your thoughts on the proposal?" I could say, "Could you clarify which aspect of the proposal you'd like me to focus on?"
Perfect. It shows attention to detail and that you want to give a thoughtful, specific answer.
Okay, what's number 8?
Number 8 is, off the top of my head, I'd say,
Oh, this lets me give an answer but signals that it's not definitive.
exactly. You're saying, this is my immediate thought, but I might need to confirm it.
So if someone asks, "How many people attended the meeting?" I say, "Off the top of my head, I'd say around 30 people, but I can check the sign-in sheet to confirm the exact number."
Perfect. You're giving some information, which is helpful, while acknowledging it might not be completely accurate.
That's so much better than saying "I don't know" and giving nothing at all.
Exactly. You're being helpful even when you're not 100% certain.
What's number 9?
Number 9 is, I haven't looked into that yet.
Oh, this one implies that I will look into it though, right?
Yes, that's the key. It's forward-looking. It shows you're aware of the topic but haven't had time to investigate it yet.
So if my boss asks, "What are our competitors charging?" I say, "I haven't looked into that yet, but I can research it and have a report ready by Friday."
Excellent. Again, you're showing initiative and willingness to find the answer, not just ignorance.
I'm seeing a pattern here. All of these phrases add something helpful instead of just saying "I don't know" and stopping.
Exactly. You just discovered the key principle, and that brings us to number 10.
What's number 10?
Number 10 is, I'm not familiar with that specific detail.
Ooh, this sounds very diplomatic.
It is. I'm not familiar sounds much more professional than I don't know.
And saying specific detail implies I might know the general topic, just not this particular piece of information.
Exactly. So if someone asks, what's the vendor's contact number? You say, I'm not familiar with that specific detail, but I can find it for you right away.
Perfect. Okay, let me make sure I remember all of them. Instead of "I don't know," I can say, "I'm not sure. Let me think about that. That's a good question. I'd need to check on that. Let me get back to you. I'm still learning about that. Could you clarify what you mean?" Off the top of my head, I'd say, "I haven't looked into that yet," or "I'm not familiar with that specific detail."
Perfect. You remembered all 10.
But Alex, what if I genuinely don't know something and I can't figure it out? Like, what if someone asks me something completely outside my knowledge?
That's a great question. Then you're still honest, but you're helpful about it.
What do you mean?
You might say, I'm not sure about that, but I know someone who would know. Let me connect you with them. Or you could say, that's outside my area of expertise, but I'd be happy to research it for you.
Oh, so I never just say "I don't know" and leave it there. I always add something helpful or constructive.
Exactly. I don't know is a dead end. It stops the conversation. But these alternatives are bridges. They keep the conversation going and show you're willing to help.
Oh, that's the big difference. "I don't know" closes doors, but these phrases open new paths.
Perfectly said. You're showing professionalism, resourcefulness, and willingness to help even when you don't have the immediate answer.
Even if I don't know something right now, I'm showing I care about finding the answer.
Yes, it's not about knowing everything. Nobody knows everything. It's about how you handle not knowing.
I really wish I'd known this before my interview.
Hey, now you know for next time. And trust me, there will be a next time. One bad interview doesn't define you.
Hopefully. You're right. Next interview, I'll be prepared.
That's the spirit. Now, one important thing, context matters with these phrases.
What do you mean by context?
Well, with close friends and casual situations, I don't know is totally fine. If your friend asks, where do you want to eat? You can absolutely say, I don't know, you choose.
Right. I don't need to be super formal with my best friend.
Exactly. Save these professional alternatives for work settings, job interviews, formal meetings, presentations, academic situations, or conversations where you want to sound more professional.
Got it. Casual with friends, professional at work.
Perfect. You understand completely.
Can I ask one more thing? What if I accidentally say I don't know in a professional situation? Can I fix it?
Absolutely. You can self-correct. Just say, actually, let me rephrase that. I'm still researching that aspect, but here's what I do know about it.
Oh, so I can recover from the mistake right there in the conversation.
Yes, self-correction actually shows good communication skills and self-awareness. It's a sign of professionalism.
Oh, that makes me feel so much better.
Good. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. What matters is how you handle them and what you learn from them.
Thank you so much, Alex. I feel way more confident now about future interviews.
You're very welcome, and you should feel confident. You've just learned 10 powerful phrases.
I'm definitely going to practice these before my next interview.
That's an excellent plan. All right, everyone, that's everything for today.
We really hope these alternatives help you sound more professional, confident, and prepared in any situation.
If this video was helpful, please like it and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And subscribe to LearnFlow English. We release new episodes every single day.
Tell us in the comments, which of these 10 alternatives will you start using?
And remember, it's completely okay to not know everything. What's important is how you express it.
Beautifully said, Mia. You've come a long way since that interview.
Thanks to you.
Thank you all so much for watching.
See you tomorrow on LearnFlow English.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.